very easily. Alexa, turn off 45-minute timer.
45-minute timer canceled.
Alexa, set a timer for 45 minutes. Chickens are good at social distancing.
Starting now.
Better wash hands after touching. Okay. Kate, can we get an add wash to that timer, or not to the timer, to the counter? All right. So step 1. Salt and pepper. Pepper in. Salt in. By the way, look at this fermented garlic, honey. Fucking pepper in everything. It's okay, Kate. What people don't know is I'm putting Szechuan pepper in everything. All right. Language, Kate? Yeah, language, Kate. If you're gonna swear, swear in Esperanto, please. All right. I'm gonna pull out my favorite kitchen toy, our Pro Whisk. Wait a second, that was been charging the entire time. How is it possible that I'm not at full charge? All right, let's go. Oh, that's quite intense. Hey, easy, Raveno. Oh, geez. I definitely need to be vertical whisking. The horizontal whisking definitely got stuff on my hands. Fine, Andy, I owe you a hand wash after this. Oh, sorry. Wrong camera. I think it basically wanted stiff peaks, didn't it? Firm, glossy peaks, yeah. It was the right camera. Now some instant coffee and stevia and see how it tastes. Hey, we have the ingredients. We got that Folgers. There we go. I did buy some Swerve or erythritol or whatever. It might work better than the Stevia, to be honest. Long story short, and finding Andy already knows this. It tastes bad. It tastes bad. Yeah, dude, anything's better than Folgers. We are almost at stiff peaks, friends. I think we're at a soft to medium peak right now. Okay, I think we're stiff enough I can up that speed. This is only speed 3, by the way. Folgers sponsorship. Look, Folgers would have to give me a no-joke amount of money